People in abroad have always been saying India is a continent pretending to be a country. It has always been a prestige for India for being such a diversified and culturally rich nation for many decades, making itself significant for the entire world. Let's get along in this colorful journey of exploring the marvelous cultures of India. वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां तत्श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे
सुजलां सुफलां मलयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे
मातरम् Now let's discover the cultural heritage of Maharashtra with this folk play.
Two people are carrying their agricultural produce to the East India Company in Maharashtra in around 1857.
These people are being brutal to us. Due to the war expensive, they have increased our taxes and have made our life miserable.
Yeah, Ganpat, very true. Wish we could get back the earlier days when we were the only ones in power and there was nobody to defeat us.
Yes, Pushpraj, these British are entering our home and diminishing our culture.
And these scoundrel thinks we are not civilized? I wish I could one day chop off their heads and give it as food to the crocodiles.
Control, Pushpraj. We have to act smartly. Don't you know how culture is?
Yeah, you're right. There are many temples in Maharashtra, some of which are thousands of years old. These are constructed in a fusion of architectural styles borrowed from north and the south of India.
Yes, you are right. And also the people of Maharashtra have a rich traditional heritage. We Maharashtrians have a very simple lifestyle and believe in hard working. The Marathas of the state do not believe in having too many spacious palaces and mansions. In fact, we people have lived a hard life and are inclined toward freedom struggle.
And the rustic lifestyle of the people can also be observed in the countryside, where people have a belief on universal cult of brotherhood, where the people of all religions live together as one community. We people of the state wear different colorful types of costumes, and there is variation in dance and music according to our specific localities. Dance forms like the Poada, Banjara Holi dance, Lavani and Koli are popular in Maharashtra and they think we are not civilized.
Leave it. According to the latest news, I have heard that a ruler who was earlier a puppet to the hand of the British is now planning an attack on the British company situated in Maharashtra, following the lead of Bahadur Shah Jafar in Delhi.
It was seriously like heaven under the great Shivaji. He would make sure that any crisis or war would not affect the people of the Maratha Empire.
Those days are gone, but I am very happy with this step being taken by a ruler and I am ready to support him in any way possible.
Sure, I will also do the same, even if that means giving up my life. You know, Shivaji Maharaj once said,
Raje tumi hota, manun dil se, mandirana kadash, ani darat tudas. Raje tumi hote, manun bharun rahile, suhashche kabad, ani hindvi swaraj shriyachi, sakad, jai bhavani, jai bhavani, jai bhavani.
The presence of art and painting have a great place in this world to depict one's emotions. Let's take a look at some of these marvelous paintings made over different places in India.
This acrylic painting of Radha Krishna is an Indian folk painting. It depicts eternal and platonic love. Indian folk art is a flexible concept which can refer to the traditional art or culture of a community or nation. It is the expressive body of culture shared by a particular group of people. It encompasses the traditions common to that culture, subculture, or group. Here, traditional rules of proportion and perspectives are not employed.
Always when we talk about culture, music proves itself to be soul of it. Let us have the delight of folk songs of Bengal and Rajasthan. आओ लें इस मिट्टी की सौंधी खुशबू. मारे खल बह तो जायो रे मारे थारो पानी निर्मल खल बह तो जाय मारे थारो पानी निर्मल खल बह तो जाय रे मारे थारो पानी निर्मल खल बह तो जाय अमर कंठ से निकलियो रे अमरकंठ से निकलियो रेवा जन जन करी रहो थारी सेवा अमरकंठ से निकलियो रेवा जन जन करी रहो थारी सेवा सेवा से सब पावे मेवा सेवा से सब पावे में असुवेद पुराण बतायो रे मारेवा थारो पानी निर्मल खल खल बह तो जायो रे मारेवा थारो पानी निर्मल खल खल बह तो जा
Now, I'll tell you about the traditional sports played in India. Kushti. Kushti is one of the most popular and difficult type of traditional sport played in India. It is mostly played in the states of Punjab, Haryana, and Maharashtra. It is the best sport to play and maintain the physique. It needs to follow some set of rules to become a wrestler. A heavy diet and strict discipline is to be maintained by the wrestler. Malakham. Malakham is a traditional Indian sport in which a gymnast performs poses and feats while hanging from a vertical wooden pole or rope. It is also used as a form of exercise to get high level of fitness by the Indian wrestlers. Valamkali. Valamkali is a traditional boat race in Kerala. It is a form of canoe racing and uses paddled bow canoe. It is mainly conducted during the season of the harvest festival Onam in spring. Valamkali includes races of many kinds of paddle long boats and snake boats. Jallikattu. Jallikattu is a traditional event in which a bull is released into a crowd of people and multiple human participants attempt to grab the large hump on the bull's back with both arms and hang on to it while the bull attempts to escape. Participants hold the hump for as long as possible, attempting to bring the bull to a stop.
ये आन तिरंगा है, ये शान तिरंगा है, मेरी जान तिरंगा है, मेरी जान तिरंगा है, अरमान तिरंगा है, अभिमान तिरंगा है, मेरी जान तिरंगा है, मेरी जान तिरंगा है.
Every region in this subcontinent has a culture which gives it a special identity. But the biggest of all is the identity of being an Indian, which shapes this culture to be our biggest wealth.